Welcome back to the ALTBAE channel. I want to talk about altcoins with you before anyone else. And this project I want to share with you has been around for a while. And I did invest in this before, and I did sell out my position. Thankfully so, because it's been going down quite a lot over like weeks, months, what have you. So I'll go to the project now. This is Blendr Network. So at the moment, it's just over 13 US cents per Blender, $5.4 million market cap. So this is very high risk. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research before investing any money. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And 24-hour trading volume, $875,000. Was it circulating supply is about 40 million, just over. Total supply 42 million. So if I just scroll down, we look at CoinGecko here. Over the year, it's gone down 90%. So I think this is a potential buying opportunity. So if you haven't bought any yet, this could be one where, in my opinion, again, not financial advice, but in my opinion, I think this has more upside potential than downside potential. So if you just put in what you can afford to lose, I'm considering to buy back in soon. I think this will go down a little bit more by the time this time I'm recording. So I'm recording this on the 20th of March. This probably won't go out onto YouTube probably in about, I don't know, a week or 10 days time, something like that. And the low, I think, went to eight and a half US cents. So I think it might go down there. And if you want to grab that bottom, I do love a juicy, sweet bottom. I need that BBL action. When I want to grab that bottom, that's what I need. You need that kind of curve to grab onto, and then you just launch it. Just launch to the moon. And let's quickly go on to the chart here on Deck Screener. So if you prefer a Deck Screener rather than CoinGecko, here it is. This is the weekly chart here. So $5.75 million it says on Deck Screener, and there's hardly anybody trading this as well. So again, it's up to you to decide if you think this project is over, or you think this is a good buying opportunity where you think it was going to go up in the future. I think this will go up in quite a while. So I don't think there's necessarily a rush to buy. As I said, I think this will go down a little bit more before I buy. But if this goes up to like 150 million, you're talking about 30x, like 30 times the money approximately, and 175. It could be like a 40x roughly. And this is what Blendr Network does. It's the blueprint of tomorrow. It's secure, scalable access to computing resources via blockchain for research and development. So there's all documentation, white papers here, and you can stake, and you can test net. So it's got developer programs with huge, like these with Intel, Microsoft, Nvidia. So ultimately, the kind of the sales part here is to elevate your AI rendering and simulations with Blendr. So this is like the use case for it. For AI rendering and simulations, Blendr offers high performance computing, I guess that's a bit, and centralized costs. I think they should update their just correct that typo. And scalability limits, optimize resource usage, minimize expenses, and maintain uninterrupted productivity. More. So it's got this centralized GPU computing mesh. So effectively aggregates underutilized GPU resources across a global network. So this is the Blendr network itself. The network optimally distributes computational tasks, ensuring each GPU's capacity is utilized efficiently. So if you've got just some spare GPU there, and it's on the Blendr network, it can be utilized, thereby providing a scalable solution for demanding rendering tasks and AI computations without overhead associated with traditional cloud computing services. So it's also got enabled digital rights management. So this leverages the immutability and transparency of blockchain to offer on-chain traceability for digital assets, ensuring creators maintain control over their work and receive fair compensation, and dynamic task management. So here again, you can read this along here. So Blender's algorithms dynamically allocate computing tasks among available GPU nodes. I kind of touched upon that before. And yeah, so this is, I think, a, a potential good project. I know other YouTubers have discussed this before, and although I do like to share projects before anyone else, and I want to talk to you, to my audience about altcoins, and type in the comments section with my audience about exciting altcoins. At least if I did cover kind of like well-known or already discussed crypto tokens with my audience, I'd rather talk about it when the price is a lot lower than other YouTubers have discussed, and just kind of remind people about this project. And you decide if it's up to you. So I'm going to keep this short. I do waffle on about it quite a lot, and there's quite a lot to read, and that's kind of like not what I'm here for. I just here wanted to share this project with you, and you make sure you do your own research. So I have a Patreon link before, so this video will probably go up later on today on the 20th of March. So again, if you want to get early access to the videos, you can join my Patreon. The link will be available in the description below once it's on YouTube. So this video will come up about a week or 10 days later, roughly. And uh, there's also a link to the Telegram group if you want to pick the higher tier as well and interact with me and other people to talk about anything crypto. And if you made it this far, please leave a like on the video, presuming once this is on YouTube, of course, and subscribe if you haven't done so already.